very happy. See the exercise. Learn how to maneuver the sailing boat. Wow, happy bunch. Lovely. People have fun in Calgary, huh? Know how to live. Water fight, they kill each other. Politics is all rotten. Chaos all around. Price of gold went again this morning. 2,375 $. And here's all the sailing boat already. That's what I love about Calgary. Very peaceful. Yes, they're doing good, huh? Lovely. Those guys are really good. Sound like the coach. The one sailing. Yes, that's the guy. He's telling them how to maneuver. Nice. Que la bella giornata. What a beautiful day. Cannot be better than that. But the wind starts, and soon it's going to be 45 km an hour. So that's going to be fun. Wow. Nice.